Back at it again, folks, right here at Brooks Landscape. And as you can see, in an exceptional fashion, what we've been able to do for this customer is give them a landscape design and a landscape drainage solution. And let me take you through this landscape so that you can see exactly what we got going on here. Now, as you can see, there's a tremendous amount of water that would have been coming out of this gutter downspout, and it then would have been moving and sitting in this area, as you would have seen in our previous video. Now, what we've done is we've come up with a design that allows for us to be able to catch that water, take it through a corrugated piping system, and then also catch the standing water by bringing it into a drain box, take that water up under the existing concrete, make it look like it never even happened once we put the concrete back, and then take it all along the side of this existing concrete walkway so that it may find this path of least resistance. Now, the reason we're doing that is because that's where all of our water is gonna go. That's right, all of our water is falling to the path of least resistance, and what it's doing is it's allowing us to be able to appropriate it in the most effective manner. Now, in this case, starting from about right here, we're gonna create a beautiful custom dry creek bed. Now, that dry creek bed is going to be able to slow down that water that's going to be moving on this landscape. It's also going to be able to appropriate it, meaning that it's going to give it a designated area to go to, which is going to be this drain box that you see here. So as it makes its way into this drain box, it's then going to be taken up under the ground and to the lowest point on this landscape, which is in the backyard. So as you can see, way back here is where we really want to get our water to go, and that being in the area that you see back here. But it was necessary that we also pull out our concrete, and so we're going to be pulling out our concrete, and we also had to get out a lot of rocks on this landscape, but it was all in an attempt to get the first phase of this landscape design done, folks. As I said, the first phase. There's many more phases to go as we finish this landscape project today. We'll be coming back in the next couple of weeks in order to provide another part of this solution, but we've tied in over 300 foot of gutter downspout piping. We've helped this customer solve 2 major landscape drainage problems on their property, and we'll be coming back with an opportunity to help them sod this landscape and be able to have put in their reservoir a landscape solution that's going to last a lifetime. And that's really what we focus on each and every time we come out, is making sure that we give our customers that quality that they deserve. So as you see this landscape come together with this beautiful landscape drainage solution that solves the landscape problem, I hope that you can also see the reason why we become one of the highest rated landscaping companies around, because we're focused on giving our customers more quality, more quantity of service than that of what could have ever been expected, only at Brooks Landscaping, where we make dirt look good like you never thought we could. Stay tuned, folks.